In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and painlessly remove hangnails. I recommend getting this Tweezerman kit. I'll link it below. It's super affordable and high quality, plus it's small enough to fit right in your makeup bag or your car's glove compartment, making it perfect for on-the-go emergencies. Inside, you'll find some handy hangnail clippers. Just a quick note, handle these with care. If you damage the ends, the tool won't work as well. The kit also includes a fingernail clipper, pushy and nail cleaner, and pocket nail file. Today, we're focusing on the cuticle and hangnail nipper. Take a look. I've got a hangnail here. It's a small, hard piece stuck between the skin and the nails. Here's how I tackle it. I stretch the skin and hold it close to the nail for better control. Then I use just the tip of the clipper to snip away the hangnail. Be gentle and avoid pressing too hard to prevent any cuts. A quick snip is all it takes to get rid of the hangnail. Remember, picking out hangnails can lead to pain and even infections, so it's best to use tools like this. After you're done, wash the tool, spray it with some alcohol, or use an alcohol wipe. I love these ones from Target. They're super cheap and come in handy. I'll link them below. After you're finished, just put the lid back on to keep everything clean and ready for next time. Here are some easy tips to help you prevent hangnails from forming. Keep your hands moisturized. Dry skin is the #1 cause of hangnails, so it's crucial to keep your hands and nails hydrated. I recommend using a thick hand cream or ointment, especially after washing your hands. I switched to using light cream and all of a sudden I had a ton of hangnails. Clearly it wasn't enough. I needed a more moisturizing hand cream. Oh, and don't forget about your cuticles. They need some love too. You can try using a moisturizing oil to keep them soft and healthy. I got this one from Dazzle Dry, but feel free to use whichever one you prefer. Limit exposure to moisture and irritants. If your hands are often wet or exposed to chemicals, you're more likely to develop hangnails or even infections around your nails. You won't always be able to avoid irritants, but gloves can be your best friend in these situations. They'll protect your hands from dry air, harsh cleaning products, and other irritants. Slip on a pair of thick gloves before heading out in cold weather, and use rubber gloves when gardening or washing dishes. Don't cut your cuticles. Although some manicurists still practice this, cutting your cuticles can actually cause hangnails and infections. Instead, gently push your cuticles back with a cuticle pusher. It's a much safer way to care for them. Avoid biting your nails or picking at your cuticles. I know it's tempting, but biting your nails or picking at your cuticles increases your risk of hangnails and bacterial or fungal infections. Keeping your nails groomed might help you break this habit. Following these simple steps can go a long way in keeping your hands healthy and hangnail free. Be sure to check out the links in the description below, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you soon in the next video.